This just in, foreign companies in Uganda are threatening to leave our economy because of us signing and enacting the Anti-Homosexuality Act of 2023. But before we continue this video is powered and sponsored by UNISEF. Who is UNISEF? UNISEF is an institution, an international institution which connects interning students to universities abroad, which are the top tier universities. So if you want to grab that master's degree, grab that bachelor's degree, be sure to go to UNISEF on the 29th of January 2025. Go to the Golf Coast Hotel if you're in Uganda, Kampala. Go to the Golf Coast Hotel from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and be connected to universities abroad in the USA, in Europe, wherever you want to go. Just know that UNISEF is a kind of institution that connects you from Uganda to the top universities, which are the university of your dreams. Well, in this edition of Legal News Deal, I'm going to discuss everything concerning what the impact of the 2023 Anti-Homosexuality Act is, and most importantly, what impact is it going to bring in our economy in the legal side of things. So, let's go. Hello everyone, welcome back to Legal News Daily. I'm your usual host Terry Kahuma on this channel. And we find that so many foreign companies and bodies are now leaving the Ugandan economy. Why, you may be asking? They are leaving because they're saying, because of our dear President Museveni signing and enacting the Anti-Homosexuality Act of 2023, they are feeling like so many people who are of the LGBT community, which is the lesbian, gay, bi, and transgender community, are now going to be marginalized and they're going to be affected because they are going to be fearful of their work here in Uganda. Now, when you go to the further point of this, we find that because of the president signing and enacting the Anti-Homosexuality Act, now many foreign companies are now choosing to leave the Ugandan economy, and henceforth it is going to destroy our economy because most of these foreign companies were bringing a lot of work and enhancing the economy in Uganda. But when you look at what the Chief of Defense Forces, who is also the first son of the President of Uganda, he said that, you know what, we are not going to reverse the Anti-Homosexuality Act of 2023 because in Uganda we value culture, we value morals, and we do not value all of these over the economy, meaning that we do not value money over us reverse the Anti-Homosexuality Act. But you may be asking, how do these acts come into play? I've made it clear so many times that a bill is what becomes a law, and henceforth a bill is what is tabled by Parliament, a bill is what is brought into Parliament, they debate about 3 times afterwards, it is then taken to Parliament so a number of times. If they all agree and say, you know what, we are now passing the Anti-Homosexuality Act, then afterwards it is now taken to the President for signing and enacting. So the moment that the Anti-Homosexuality Act is signed and assented to by the President, then is when it becomes a fully enacted law, and therefore it means all acts of homosexuality or LGBT community are then banned in Uganda. So the foreign companies are now saying that we want that law to be reversed, then that's when we shall come back to operating in Uganda. But of course, we all know that it takes